Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add reaction buttons to your Blogger posts. So for example, if I go into any of these posts, and here if we scroll down, we can see that we have the comments over here, but we'll also have some buttons over here for the reactions. So there will be some emojis that we can add, and we can take the feedback from the visitor. So let's get started. Now we are going to be using a service called Share This for this. So all you have to do is go to this website sharethis.com, and you have to create a free account. So just go ahead and create a free account on sharethis.com. And if you want to learn more about this service, you can go ahead and read some of this information over here. But for now, I'll just log into my account, and I have already created a free account. So I'll just click on login. And the first thing you have to do is add the domain name of your website over here. So let's go to our website and let's copy this from here. So you have to copy just this livebloggerofficial.blogspot.com from here. You don't have to copy the HTTPS. So I'll just copy this from here and I'll just paste it over here. You can just copy and paste the domain name of your website and then just click on add new domain. And we can see that our domain has been added to Share This. Now here in the apps directory, you can see that there are a lot of tools over here. So there are some tools for share buttons, sticky share buttons like this over here, and image share buttons, and a lot of options over here. But what we need is this tool right here called reaction buttons. So let's click on reaction buttons. Right now let's click on this button called enable tool, and the tool has been enabled. Now the next thing you have to do is click on activate code, and you have to copy this code from here and paste it in your Blogger theme code. So let's click on this button to copy this code, and let's go over here to our Blogger dashboard, and let's go to theme, and let's click on this arrow, and let's click on edit HTML, and we have to paste it into the head section. So this is the head section, so here I'll just paste the code. Now there's one thing you have to keep in mind when copying code, that whenever you have this ampersand symbol, you have to replace it with ampersand AMP semicolon, or else it will throw an error because we are writing this inside an XML document. So just make that change over here. Instead of ampersand, you have to type ampersand AMP semicolon, and then just click on save. Right now let's go back and let's go to our Share This account, and now let's click on activate code, and let's click on activate. And now we can see that it says code activated. Now here we can see these are the reaction buttons. So this is for the like, love, and all these buttons over here. You can go ahead and customize this. So if I click on customize your share buttons, we have these options over here to choose which of these reactions we need to have. So you can go ahead and deselect any of these from here. And then you also have the option of alignment. So you can align left, right, center, or justified. I'll just keep it at center, and let's scroll down, and here we have the language. So you can go ahead and select any of these languages from here. I'll just select English and click on update. And now the last thing you have to do is copy this code to your website. And wherever you have this code, the reaction buttons will be displayed. So let's click on copy code. And let's go to our Blogger dashboard, and let's go to layout. And let's click on add a gadget. And let's select HTML/JavaScript. And I'll just leave the title blank, and in the content I'll just paste the code, and let's click on save. This is the reaction buttons code, so let's drag and bring it over here below the blog posts, and let's click on save, and let's go back to our post and let's refresh this page, and here we can see that the reaction buttons are being displayed over here. Now let me show you how to display these reaction buttons over here just below the post. So we want to display it before the comments. Now for that you have to customize the theme code. So let's go back to our layout, and I'll just delete this HTML code from here. I'll just click on remove, and let's go to theme, and let's click on this arrow and click on edit HTML. Now let's go to our post and let's see how it is structured. So if I right click over here and click on inspect, we can see that we have this division called post body over here, and after that we have the post footer. So let's add our reaction button over here. So let's go over here to our theme code, And let's click on this button, jump to widget, and let's click on blog. And now let's scroll down and see where we have the code. So here we can see we have this division with the class of post body and entry content and all these over here. So it is the same markup. And in that we have this data post body. Now let's go back to our share this account and let's copy the code. So I'll just copy this and let's paste it over here just below this code. And let's click on save. Let me also show you the theme that I'm using. So I'm using a theme which comes by default with Blogger. So this is the theme that I'm using, Emporio. So if you have a different theme, sometimes the code may be a little bit different. So you can go ahead and inspect the page and just search for the division with a class or something like that. And you can find the classes inside the template code and just go ahead from there. Right now let's go back to our post and let's refresh this page. And now we can see we have these reaction buttons just where we wanted it to be. And it looks alright. You can go ahead and make customizations over here. And then just go ahead and click on update and it will be updated over here. Right now let's click on one of these reactions. So let's click on this like reaction over here. And now it displays 1 over here and we can see that the counter is working alright. Now let me just open this page inside an incognito window. So I'll just copy this and I'll just open it over here. And here we can see it says 1 like, and let's click on like over here as well. And now it says 2 likes. Now let's just close this and now let's refresh this page. And now we can see there are 2 likes over here. If the counter is not updating for you, you can just right click over here and click on inspect. And then just right click over here on the reload button in Chrome. And then just click on empty cache and hard reload. And everything will be alright. So that's basically how you add reaction buttons to your Blogger posts. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.